A monstrous app which is ingeniously designed to generate $200 up to $1,000 in true passive income right at your fingertips. No computer access is needed. It is fast, it is quick, and more importantly, it is free. This works on your smartphone with no download or installation needed. Just go onto the website we will show you later, sign up in 5 seconds, activate the app, and boom, you make easy money. I wouldn't believe this until I've seen thousands of people who are leaving good reviews and screenshots of the real payment proof. And we're talking about people from the United States, Canada, Philippines, India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Europe, Australia, and many countries in the world. People are making real money, so I gotta take this seriously and put up together this step-by-step tutorial video to show you exactly what's the secret behind this brand new money-making app. So make sure you watch the full video all the way until the very end to see real-world examples and demos. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now before I show you this brand new app and absolutely free app to make money in today's video, I do want to show you the actual payment proof people from different countries in the world receive cash over and over again, every single minute, and there is literally a long list of real payment proofs. Before we are able to earn all of this money on this brand new money-making app, I want you to first go on to another website, which is indigitalworks.com. Basically on this website, you're able to download a lot of free high-quality PLR products. So real quick, let me explain to you what exactly PLR products are. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, meaning you can actually go onto this website and download different ebooks, software, videos, graphics, templates, and articles. And you can download them for absolutely free on this website, and we can actually resell them and re-upload them on another platform. And again, this is 100% free, 100% legal, and it is safe to do it because this is copyright free. You have the license to do it, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment. And then make sure you watch until the end because we'll come back to the money-making app in just a moment. Before that, let me just show you a quick glance into indigitalworks.com. So these are all the free ebooks that you can download right here. And take a look at this hundreds and hundreds of different ebooks that you can download with just one click of a button. Of course, you can do this on your phone. You can do this on your computer. And I'm just curious what kind of devices you guys are using right now to watch this video. So comment down below and let me know what kind of devices you are using right now. Now, other than ebooks, you can also download different free videos on this platform as well. And these are all the free videos that you can download. And then we're going to use them in just a moment to make a lot of passive income on this new money-making app. First off, we're going to sign up on indigitalworks.com. I want you to click on this register button, and from there, this will bring you to this page as you can see here. Now, you don't have to spend any money because this is absolutely free. And then I want you to scroll down below where you can see different memberships, where you can access over 200 of different products. I want you to choose this and click on this button right here which says register for free. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can set up your free account. And this is very important, so make sure you don't do any mistakes. So under the membership type, you can actually click on this down arrow and you can choose from different payment plans. And this is very important. You should choose on the silver membership because this is absolutely free. You just have to put in your first name, your last name, and your email address. And put in a right email because they're going to send you a verification email. Then right on this column, just confirm your email once again. And on the username, you can basically put in whatever username you want. And then put in your password. Confirm your password. And click on this, I'm not a robot. And click on the next button. It's actually pretty simple. And you can do it in less than 1 minute. Now once you've confirmed your account in your email, you're able to come over to this page where it says, "Welcome to InDigitalWorks Dashboard." And from there, you can actually start downloading different free products on this platform. All you're going to do is just click on Free Products, and we're going to click on Free eBooks. And that's going to bring us to this page where you can find different ebooks to download. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's download this free ebook, which is very popular right now. So all you have to do is just click on this link right here, and from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can actually find the cover of the ebook and the title of the ebook. So right here, you can find all of the information and all the descriptions about the ebook. You can also see what the main topic is. And the one thing that I like about this website is that they do have a preview, and you can actually open up this file to look at what modules is actually being covered. These are all the modules on this ebook. And you can actually take a look at what's on the inside of the ebook by clicking on this link. Now all you have to do is just click on the download button right here. And you can download this ebook in your phone or in your computer. And once again, this is absolutely free. So once you have a downloaded ebook, we have successfully completed step number 1. Congratulations for that! And now I want you to drop a like on this video and comment down below and say, "I've completed step number 1. You're absolutely amazing!" Now we're gonna move on to step number 2. And I want you to go on to this brand new money-making app, which is upforever.org. They allow you to upload and share different files on the internet. And once again, this is absolutely free. And you can also get it on your Google Play Store as well. And this is the logo of the app. Make sure you download the right app. Now let me explain to you what this website is all about. Basically, they're gonna pay you every single time people download your files. And as you can see here, UpForever will pay you money for every 1,000 downloads that happens on your account. So basically, for every 1,000 downloads, you earn $3 to $7. For example, if people from Tier 1 countries download your files, you can earn the maximum earning, which is $7. So take a look at what's the Tier 1 country, US and Canada. So you can actually earn more money when people from the US and Canada download your free ebooks. And that's basically how it works. You can earn 100% of the completed downloads. And on top of that, they will upgrade your account on this platform. You can also learn additional commissions as well. That's actually a very good way to earn passive income nowadays. And once you've made your money, you're able to cash out your earnings in many different payment methods. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You will always get accepted on this platform and begin making money. You can go onto their website and check out all of the payment proof. So right now, I want to show you how to sign up for a free account on this website. All you gotta do is just click on the sign up button right on top, and that's going to bring you to this page which says user registration. You can put in a username, your password, and also your email. And for the payment information, as you can see here, you can choose from these drop-down boxes. You can choose from all of these payment options. Then click on this, "I'm not a robot," and sign up for a free account. Now once you've successfully signed up for a free account, when you log into your dashboard, you're gonna see your account balance right here and how much money you have inside your account. If you have a brand new account, your account balance is going to be $0 because you haven't uploaded any file yet. So it's very important for you to keep watching, and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can upload the file right here on this website. So when you click on this icon right here on top, that's gonna open up this bar as you can see here. You're now going to click on this upload files button right here. It's going to bring you to this page and it will give you a few warnings. If you do this mistake, you will actually get banned and your money will be stuck inside your account. So make sure you don't do that and make sure that you do not upload any prohibited file, because if you violate the terms and conditions of your account, this will get banned and you will not withdraw your earnings. And one very important thing is to make sure that you disable your ad block so that people can actually download your files. Now I will just go down below, and this is actually where you can upload your files on this brand new money-making app. Now to go to InDigitalWorks.com and find different free PLR ebooks, and we can actually download them for free on this website, just like the example I showed you earlier on this video. This is going to be the step where we actually have to re-upload the ebook that we just downloaded. So now all we gotta do is click on this button right here to to choose the file that we want to upload. And from there, I just select the ebook that I just downloaded. Now, once you uploaded your ebooks, make sure you click on this blue button right here where it says Start Upload. And then that's going to take you a few seconds, and this is actually pretty fast to upload the entire ebook. So as you can see here, when you go back to our dashboard, I want you to click on this button right here where it says My Files. From there, you will scroll down below. As you can see here, you're able to find the file that you just uploaded. All you gotta do is click on this pencil icon where it says Edit. It is actually very important for you to make sure that people actually download your ebooks. Right now, we'll change the name of the file. So make sure you put in the title, which is ebook, so that other people know that it's actually an ebook for them to download. And make sure to put in the right title. And from there, you can see here this column which says description. So what I want you to do right here is to go back to indigitalworks.com to go back to the ebook. And when I scroll down below, I'm able to find the information and all the description about this ebook. So all we have to do now is to highlight all the information. And we can just copy the entire description of the ebook. And we just have to go back here and paste everything right here into the description. That's all we're going to do to let people know that this is actually what's going on inside. And from there, we'll just go down below and you can see that the price is set at $0 so that people can actually download it for free. And that's where a lot of people will actually download your ebook because it's for free. And for every 1,000 downloads, you can earn about $3 up to $7 so that all of the people can actually find and locate your ebook. So that's all we gotta do, and just click on the submit button. Just repeat the entire process. Go on and upload on this platform, and this is how a lot of people are making passive income every single day. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.